Now let's surf into another part. Let's move into list. Let's move into list. I'll use this as a comment. You can easily use a comment in VS Code. Control CTRL plus backslash. By using this in your keyboard, control plus backslash, you can get a comment. If you want this as a code segment without a comment, you can again use control plus backslash. Again, if you want this as a comment, you can use control and slash. Actually, I have misread as backslash, but you must use control plus slash. I think this is slash and this one is going to be the backslash, but we must use control and slash to get a comment. Comment is a code line which is not executing. So these type of code lines are not generating errors and not generating any issues with your code. It is just using to improve the readability of the code. So guys, what do you think as a list? You have already seen lists. Lists means something we can use as I'm trying to get an example here. So this is a list which has written one by one. You can use as 1 2 3 4 5, or you can use some Roman letters as 1 2 3 4 5, or you can use stars and some dots and with unordered level. So in HTML also you can use lists, and in lists you can use ordered lists and non-ordered lists. So in ordered list you must use OL tag, and you can write li tag. Li means list items, OL means ordered lists. This is something really close to our normal English. So I'll type apple and I'll type some fruits here. I'll type orange, and also I'll type it is pop-upping me mango, and I'll type more pineapple and strawberry, and let's see how the ordered lists works. You can see apple, orange, mango, pineapple, strawberry, and 1 2 3 4 5. This is a ordered list. So if you want to change this 1 2 3 4 5 into another type, if you want to use the type as A B C D or something, you can use I'll use simple A, simple B, simple C, these things. You can see A B C D E. Or if you like to change this type, you can again use you can use Roman letters. I'll use Roman letters here, simple Roman letters, and you can see it is displayed here. So you can see how to use a ordered list. Also you can use unordered list. You can use UL tag to this unordered lists. In unordered list also I'll use the same things, apple, orange, mango, pineapple, and strawberry, and I'll save it. You can see there's a list, but there's no any letters or ordered way. They are just dots. Here it is displayed as letters. That's the difference between a list with ordered level and unordered level. So in this also you can change the type. You can change the type as if you want squares instead of dots, you can use squares, and you can see the unordered lists, the dots have changed into squares. Let's see, do we have triangles? I don't sure. No, no triangle here. The dots are there. And see, can we use stars? No here, and you can use square here. You can clearly see now it is, there are dots, and after we save this as squares, you can see they are converted into squares. Okay, now that's about the lists, and